The Legal Practice Council is urging clients of former lawyer Zuko Nonxuba to come forward and claim their funds. In 2022, an order by the Western Cape High Court led to the suspension of Nonxuba for misappropriation of clients' funds. He has been accused of swindling millions of rands for claims and medical malpractice meant for clients. Legal Practice Council spokesperson Kabelo Letebele joins us now to expand more so. Mr. Letebele, thank you very much for your time, and just give us a little bit of context in terms of how we got here.
Good afternoon, Dudu, and the viewers of Newzroom. The Legal Practice Council is a statutory body established in line with the Legal Practice Act of 2014. And our role is really to investigate matters where legal practitioners are suspected to have contravened the rules, regulations, or code of conduct of the Act. So with regards to Mr. Zuko Nonxuba, the matters were brought to our attention in 2020 and August 2021. And upon looking into the matters, upon calling him to come and account, upon conducting investigations, we found that, in fact, there appears to be quite a large-scale, quite a large-scale abuse or lack of accountability regarding the funds that were meant for his clients. So, essentially, in a nutshell, between 2021 and August this year, it has been a process of us calling him to come and account, him taking us to court, appealing decisions, and so on, which culminated with a matter appearing before the Constitutional Court earlier in August. So now what we're doing, the Constitutional Court has essentially said he doesn't have room anymore to appeal or take us any further to court. So we are now in the process of looking into the trust funds and seeing how we can urgently assist the beneficiaries that did not receive the funds that are due to them.
How much was misappropriated?
Oh, it's in the hundreds of millions, Juduzile. Estimations range from anything between 300 million to 500 million. And, we need to bear in mind that a lot of his clients were victims of medical malpractice. So children, for example, being injured at birth. And he would then take cases like that, sue the state and get an award. And those awards were quite significant. I mean, we're talking per case, it would be in the region of 10 to 30 million. So a couple of those can easily can take one into hundreds of millions. That's why it's such a big amount we are dealing with.
If somebody who is watching has fallen victim, what then happens now?
At the moment, we are calling on all the victims that did not get their payouts to approach their nearest Legal Practice Council office. We've got offices in all 9 provinces. Or alternatively, the victims can send us an email, info@lpc.org.za, to essentially furnish us with such evidence that they are rightful claimants to the monies that are remaining. I also want to add that we are working with the Legal Practitioners Fidelity Fund, which is an insurer for such cases. And they are, of course, helping us as urgently and as best as they can to try and ensure that the victims are assisted. But the final thing, Duduzile, if I may, I'm appealing to all the viewers and anyone who is making use of a legal practitioner to always check that the legal practitioner actually does appear on the LPC website. They can check on our website that the person they're dealing with is indeed a legal practitioner or a lawyer. And then secondly, to protect themselves, they can check that that legal practitioner has got a valid Fidelity Fund certificate. A Fidelity Fund certificate is renewed on an annual basis, and where we pick up instances that the lawyer has not been managing the trust account properly, we are able to then discontinue that fidelity fund certificate, and therefore the legal practitioner is not able to practice and not able to abuse the public in any way.
Kabelo Letebele, thank you very much for your time this afternoon. He speaks for the Legal Practice Council.